Want to control your Cash App spending every week? And here's how to set a weekly spending limits fast. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So what is a weekly spending limit? The weekly spending limit is a feature in Cash App that lets you set a maximum amount of money you want to spend in a week. If it helps you to stay within your budget and avoid overspending. And here's how to set your weekly spending limit. Launch the Cash App on your phone, then find your profile picture in the top right corner and tap it. Then scroll down and tap Privacy and Security or directly to Spending Limit. The options may vary. Then look for Weekly Spending Limit and tap down. Type in the amount you want to set as a weekly maximum spending, and lastly, tap Save or Set Limit to achieve it or activate it. Now here are some important notes for you. The spending will be monitored against the limit weekly, and you may get alerts when you approach your limits, and the limit can be changed anytime following the same step. And here's my final thought. Setting a weekly spend limit on your Cash App helps you to manage your money better and avoid surprises at the end of the day. And that's it. Stay in charge of your budget, set your weekly spending limit today, and spend smart with Cash App. If this helped you out, hit the like button, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.